Hey stranger, I see you're smiling. But are you? Or is that smile just a shield, so nobody asks questions you cannot answer? Because you have gotten good at surviving, good at making it look easy, good at saying I am fine with the right tone, good at turning pain into jokes, good at being the one who checks in on everyone else. So nobody notices you are drowning too. And maybe you do not even know when it started. You just know you learned this skill. Keep it together. Keep it moving. Keep it quiet. Keep it pretty. But when you are alone, when the room finally goes still, the truth shows up, the heaviness, the regret, replay button in your mind, the thoughts that say, you are not lovable like other people. You are a burden. You always mess things up. You do not deserve a healthy love. If they really knew you, they would leave. And it is not just a thought. It is a feeling in your body. A tight chest, a stomach drop, a sinking shame that makes you want to disappear. So you try harder. You try to be more helpful, more productive, more agreeable, more low maintenance. You become the person who does not ask for much. Because asking feels dangerous. You give and give until you are empty. Then you feel guilty for being empty. And that guilt turns into self-blame. You tell yourself, I should be over this by now. I should not feel like this. Other people have it worse. What is wrong with me? Hey stranger, nothing is wrong with you. Something happened to you. Shame is not your personality. Shame is a wound that learned to speak in your own voice. It does not just point at your mistakes. It turns your mistakes into a sentence. Not, I did something wrong, but I am wrong. Not, I failed, but I am a failure. Not, I hurt someone, but I deserve to be alone. And that is why it feels so heavy. Because you are not carrying one bad moment. You are carrying an identity you never asked for. And maybe you really did make mistakes. Maybe you hurt someone. Maybe you lost something because of it. Maybe you are still paying for it emotionally, but shame will convince you that growth requires cruelty. That if you do not punish yourself, you are letting yourself get away with it. So you keep the shame close. Like a guard dog, thinking it will keep you from becoming that person again. But shame does not protect you. It cages you. It makes you hide. It makes you overthink. It makes you sabotage good things. Because you do not believe you are allowed to have them. It makes you suspicious of kindness. When someone compliments you, you do not receive it, you dodge it. When someone stays, you wait for the moment they change their mind. When love gets close, you flinch, because deep down you believe, I have to earn it. And hear me. Planning to grow is healthy, healing is good, taking responsibility matters, but worrying that you must become worthy before you are allowed to be loved, that is not growth, that is punishment. And you do not have to punish yourself into peace. You do not earn love, you receive it. Love is not a paycheck. Love is not a performance review. Love is not something you unlock after you complete enough self-improvement tasks. Real love does not stand there with a clipboard. Real love does not say, prove it, prove you are worth the effort. Real love says, come here, I see you. Even when you are messy, even when you are tired, even when you are still learning, and the truest love of all, God's love, is not a reward for perfect people. It is a gift for human people. So let us say it again. Slowly, you do not earn love, you receive it. That means your worst day does not cancel your worth. That means your past does not get the final word. That means you can take responsibility without being sentenced to shame forever. Because guilt can guide you, but shame destroys you. Guilt says that was wrong, let us change. Shame says you are wrong, so hide, and you were not made to hide. So here is your next step, not 10 steps. Not a whole personality makeover, just one. When that wave of I am unworthy hits today, do not argue with it for an hour. Do not build a courtroom in your mind. Do not collect evidence against yourself. Instead, pause, put your hand on your chest, breathe once slowly, and say, I am not my worst moment. I am not my shame. I can be accountable and still be loved. I can grow without self-hatred. I am still here. I am still loved, even if you do not feel it yet. Say it like you are planting a seed, then choose one small act of receiving. Not achieving, but receiving. Let yourself rest for 10 minutes, without explaining why you deserve it. Drink water like your body matters. Open a window, let light touch your face. Send one honest message to one safe person. Hey, I have been struggling a bit. Or write one sentence in your notes. This is what I am ashamed of. This is what I am afraid people will find out. And then add one more sentence. But I am bringing it into the light. Because shame grows in silence, but it weakens when you name it. And if you need an even smaller next step, make it this. Stop speaking to yourself like an enemy. You can be honest without being cruel. You can be strong without being hard. You can change without hating the current version of you. Now, if you are open, pray with me. God, I pray for the person listening right now. You see the smile they use as armor. You see how they keep it together in public and fall apart in private. You see the shame they carry. The shame they have been dragging for years. The shame that whispers they are not worth staying for. Please meet them here. Quiet the accusing voice in their mind. Break the lie that says they must earn love to be kept. Replace shame with truth, that they are not disqualified, that they are not too far gone, that their story is not over. Teach them how to receive. Let your love land in their chest, like warmth, not pressure. Give them peace that does not depend on performance. Give them rest that does not require proof. Give them courage for today, not for the whole future, just for today. Heal the places where they learned love was conditional. Restore what rejection damaged. Restore what criticism stole. Restore what they lost. When they started believing they were too much, cover them with a love that stays, a love that does not keep score, a love that does not flinch at their weakness. Guide their next step, clear enough to walk, light enough to carry, real enough to do. And when they cannot feel anything, remind them, your love is not a feeling, it is a promise. Hey stranger, you do not have to smile to be lovable. You do not have to be impressive to be kept. You do not have to be fixed to be held. You do not earn love. You receive it. If you needed this, comment, I am still here.